Hello, Mimo and Estella from Clean House Melbourne, and all your team of cleaners. We're just wishing you a happy new year from We Are Mobilised. I heard from Kiralee that you've joined the Dovetail Social Impact Program. That's so exciting. Mimo, I know that we've been talking, we've obviously met at a couple of the BNI events. Haven't met you yet, Estella, and obviously to the rest of the team, haven't met yet, but want to say thank you to introduce ourselves. My name's Noah. I'm the founder and CEO at We Are Mobilised. We've got Zoe behind the camera. Come in here, Zoe. Say good day.
Hi everyone, I'm Zoe. I'm the new partnerships and fundraising lead here at Mobilise.
And so you'll see more of Zoe as well. She'll be around. But yeah, we're from Mobilise. Our focus is simple. We believe that homelessness shouldn't be accepted in Australia, as I know that you are, which is why you're part of this program. And yeah, we're really passionate about developing a range of programs where we can provide funding directly to people who need it across the country and give them that opportunity to really transform their life and really, yeah, be able to change the situation they're in and really take advantage of those opportunities. And so we have a Kickstarter program. One simple example of it was we had a lady who was escaping an unsafe situation. Her partner was the person who lived with them, but also paid for the rent. She had two kids. After they took out an AVO, which meant the partner had to move out, they had no income to continue to pay for their house. So that lady was eventually going to have to, unfortunately, sleep in her car with the children because they couldn't afford to pay rent. Due to the Kickstarter program, we were able to continue paying for her rent for 3 months. In that 3 month period, she was able to actually get a supplementary income, and the kids and her are still living in that house now. But most importantly, the children didn't have to change schools, didn't have to change their sporting events. They had that continuity despite coming from an unsafe and obviously a difficult situation. So that's one example of the stories that we're helping. We're on a pathway to helping 10,000 people with our Project 10,000. And most special of all of the work that you guys are going to be doing is helping us support that. So from us to you, thank you. Thank you for believing the mission. Thank you for going on the journey. We can't wait to continue to share stories with you. I know Kiralee at Dovetail is going to continue to share those as well. But yeah, thank you for believing that homelessness is solvable and we can all be part of that solution. Talk to you soon.